Natsumi here. Welcome to my Halal Japanese kitchen. Today's special is potato salad. Yay! Potato salad is very popular menu for Japanese people. Japanese potato salad made with mashed potato, seasoned by mayonnaise sauce, and you can mix whatever you like. For example, the most favorite of Japanese is mixed with ham. For others, canned tuna, boiled egg, broccoli, cheese, anything okay. Anyone can create their new own taste, and anybody has their mama's taste. I think that's why potato salad is very popular. In my recipe, I always mix apples a lot. The first time I mixed apples into my recipes when I living in Singapore. Apples in Singapore is very fresh, cheap, and delicious. I love the crunchiness of fresh apples, and it goes well with the potato salad. After I found this combination, I have been addicted. Some people who are on a diet may be scared to eat potato. But in my recipe, potato and apples quantity is almost half and half. No need to feel guilty. Another thing of my original recipe is mix Greek yogurt into mayonnaise. Japanese original recipe never use Greek yogurt, but slight sourness of yogurt bring out the sweetness of apples. It's very nice and less calorie also. Then today's highlight is how to make halal mayonnaise. Actually, halal mayonnaise is available in Japan already, but homemade mayonnaise is especially nice. But making homemade mayonnaise use raw egg yolk, so if you can find pasteurized egg in your place, please give it a try. And if you cannot find pasteurized egg or you want to use local mayonnaise, it's also no problem. Shall we get started? In my video, I want to share many tips of Japanese cooking. I know that some Japanese food contains alcohol, so you cannot enjoy it. However, after watching this video, you can make halal Japanese food using local ingredients only. If you like this video and you want to open your own shop with my recipes, I'm very happy to support you. See below for more information if you need. Ingredients are potato, apple, onion, carrot, and cucumber. Seasoning is yogurt, mayonnaise, then salt and pepper, and if you like dill weed. Can you see dill weed? I love this flavor. You can choose red color one. This is very good combination with white color of potato. Then today I want to use Greek yogurt. But if you cannot find Greek yogurt, you can use strain yogurt instead. Okay, we just started to make mashed potato. Peel off the potato and carrot, then cut into small pieces and boil. Oh, potato has sprout, so please take out. This sprout has poison. Cannot eat. Take out, please. After that, cut small pieces. Today, boil the carrot together. Cut all, then wash once. Pour water is like this. Can you see? The going to boil. While the potato is boiling, I slice the onion and cucumber. Actually, no need to so thin slice like this. Can you see? After cut the cucumber and onion, sprinkle the salt a little bit, then mix well, then wait for a while to take out the water from the vegetable. Keep beside. Okay? Now water come out, so you wrap the all veggie. Squeeze. Enough. Cut the apple into strip. Any size is actually okay, but I like the little bit thicker than matchstick size. Potato was boiled. Can I check? Okay. Carrot also okay. So potato and carrot is already soft, but I wanna take out excess water from the surface of potato, so I'll return to slow heat. Take out the water more. Can you see the potato face become powdery? Okay, like this. Okay, enough. Take out the potato and carrot to the big bowl. And mash. Keep this beside until it becomes room temperature. While the potato is cooling, we prepare mayonnaise. Actually, if you want to use the local mayonnaise, it's okay, but homemade mayonnaise is good. So if you could find the pasteurized egg in your town, please try it. Mayonnaise ingredient is 1 egg yolk, 80 cc rice bran oil, then 3 teaspoons vinegar. Today's vinegar is apple vinegar. Last time I used this apple vinegar in oshizushi video. Do you remember? Then seasoned by salt. That's all. Can we try? Please put egg yolk. Then beat well. Beat well. Then please pour the rice bran oil. 1 tablespoon. Then first time little bit slowly. Then after that mix well. Mix well to emulsify. And is it okay? Okay. So mix well enough. Then after that, add 1 tablespoon oil again. Then slowly first. Then after that, mix well. Continue to add oil and mix well, spoon by spoon, until almost half of oil. Because if you put oil a lot once, cannot be emulsified well. It's very simple work. If your kids interested in your work, so ask to help. Maybe can enjoy the cooking work together. I put oil almost half of the quantity. Then now I put the vinegar into the mayonnaise. The condition has changed, become very watery. Can you see? After that, return back to oil and continue to put spoon by spoon again. Very smooth. Then seasoned by salt. Maybe 2 pinch. I check the taste. Very good, very smooth, and taste nice. This is Japanese mayonnaise taste. Actually, Japanese mayonnaise taste is a little bit sour than overseas product. Okay, mayonnaise has done already. Okay, potato is cooled down already, so all ingredients put in the bowl. Then apple, then Greek yogurt. Today I put 120 grams. Then mayonnaise, 40 grams. Then pepper a little bit. Then salt, a little bit. I love deep weed. Then mix gently. Okay, potato salad done already. I will try and tell you the taste. いただきます。Very nice, very creamy due to yogurt and rich flavor of homemade mayonnaise. When you wanna try homemade mayonnaise, you can change the kind of oil. You can change to olive oil or sesame oil or others. Also nice. Each ingredient's volume balance is up to you. If your family has small kids, so you add more apple and less onion. For adults, I highly recommend mustard into the mayonnaise. Very nice. Thank you for watching today. Please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon on next videos. Bye!